Hello Robyn, this is your factoring by grouping assignment. Of course, you can tell that it's done very well. You have lots of check marks on there. Just want to go over a couple of things that you were having difficulty with. And that is that we should always check for a common factor. And if you would have looked right from the beginning, you could have pulled out a 2 through all of these ones. And sometimes that makes it easier to factor in the end because you're working with smaller numbers. Now even if you don't do it there, you can always do it at the end. So here we have an x plus y. And there's a 2 common to both terms in this factor, so I pull out the 2 and I'm left with m plus b. So always look for that common factor when you're done. Again, more really nice stuff going on here. The only question that you had problems with was 7, and that is these didn't match when you're doing them. Now they're very similar. One's an n minus 2m, the other one's 2m minus n. And when we see that, sometimes we can think about switching things around and doing that. So in fact, here we have a number and then subtract something else, and then it's a minus and then a plus. If we switch these around, you'll see like I did right here, we now could pull out the common factor of 25, and there's an m there as well, and you're left with 2m minus n. Here you can pull out a 6x, and you're left with 2m minus n. Same thing, of course. So we have 2m minus n and 25. Oops, 25. 25m plus 6x. So you can see it's kind of close to what you have, but if you make that one little switcheroo, it makes all the difference. So great job with this assignment. I think you have a good idea what you're doing, and we'll talk to you soon.